Welcome. If you want to enter split screen mode in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, at the first you have to open the apps that you are going to use. So I'm going to open the YouTube. Go back to your home screen. And then select second application. So for example, we can go for the Gmail. Click on the home button and then tap here to open the background apps. Right now we have to click on the application of the icon of the application, and here we have to select the open in the split screen view. And right now we can select this second application from our background apps. And as you can see, here we are in our split screen mode. With this switcher we can also adjust the size of the application. And right now we are of course able to work the two applications at the same time. And if you want to close it, just swipe like that. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.